Welcome everyone, I'm Steve from Resale Dojo, and I'm here just to thank you. Thank you for helping me reach a milestone that I didn't think I was going to reach for a while, and I'm just so appreciative of all of you guys of helping me get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Now, as I said, I did not expect to get to this number anytime soon. When I set my goals in December for this year, I said I was going to target getting it by July 1st. So by getting it by early April, I'm just flabbergasted by the amount of support that the community has given me, the support that you guys have given me. It's just been fantastic. I can't believe it. And with that being said, I want to give back to you guys, the reselling community. I want to also give back to my local community as well. And I'm going to lay that out for you guys right now. So how I'm going to give back to the reselling community is I'm going to do a giveaway right here on this video, and I'm going to do it right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select two winners in this video. For the grand prize winner, I am going to buy at least $150 worth of product from your store, and I am going to offer you a free store review regardless of what platform it's on. I prefer you're going to be on eBay, but if you're on Mercari or Poshmark, that is fine as well. Any other platforms I'm kind of unfamiliar with, so let's keep it to those three. Let's keep it to eBay, Mercari, Poshmark as the ones I could do reviews on. Ideally, it's going to be eBay, but I will purchase from any of those stores from you guys. I'll buy at least $150 from the grand prize winner, and I'll give you a free store review if you want it or not. You don't have to take it, but I've sold at least $10,000, even actually $11,000 last month on eBay. So I think I know what I'm doing a little bit, so I can always give little tips and tricks here and there for you guys to help you out. Now I'm giving out a second prize as well. So for second place, I am going to do at least $75 in store purchases from your store. And I'll also offer that store review for you as well. So to enter this contest, I just expect three things from you guys. First, be a subscriber to my channel, so make sure to hit that subscribe down below. Like this video, and also leave a comment down below as well. It could be anything. I really don't care what it is. I'm going to do a random comment picker generator thingy and select two of you guys to win the prizes that I just laid out. So make sure you enter right now. I'm going to be picking two winners, right? Grand prize, $150, and that free store review. And the second place is going to be $75 in purchases from your store and a store review as well. So I want to help boost your guys' sales, help you guys grow your sales as well by doing some reviews on it, and just help you guys out in general. And I also mentioned I want to give back to my community. I buy a lot of product here in the Phoenix metro area. I'm buying from the local Goodwills, Savers, garage sales at times, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, all those different places. And just, the general people here are great. I'm finding great product, and I want to give back to the community in general. So what I'm going to do is, since I did not expect to make any revenue, any money on YouTube until at least July 1st, any money that I make on this YouTube channel from now through the end of June, I'm going to be giving away to a local organization here in the Phoenix area. What I'm going to do is, I don't know who I'm going to donate it to right now, but in the next couple weeks, I'm going to pick a few organizations, and I'm going to put those organizations in a poll here on YouTube as well, and let you guys pick which organization the money goes to. So any money that I make from today, which is what, April 6th, 5th, I don't even know what day it is, April 5th, through the end of June, that I make from YouTube, getting that Google AdSense money, will be donated to a local Phoenix organization. Also, if you're in the Phoenix metro area, feel free to put a comment down below of any organizations that you feel would be worthy for me to donate towards and to support as well. So I'm always open to suggestions, but I'm going to be researching it over the next couple weeks to pick a place, and then I'll put a poll out for you guys and let you guys choose. So that's in a nutshell. I'm going to be doing the giveaway. I'm going to be buying from you guys. I'm going to be spending at least $150 at one store, $75 at another store, and giving away those two free store reviews to the grand prize and second place winners. I'm also going to be giving away all my ad revenue through the end of June to a local community charity. So thank you guys once again for all of your support. I'm so grateful for everything that you guys have given me. This has just been such a fun little project to do, so much fun just to put this channel together. And just to get to know all of you guys, get to know the community, and it really actually helps me out big time just putting out these videos, because it helps me focus on my business as well and really understanding what I am doing right and what I'm doing wrong. And that's what's allowing me to share with you guys my knowledge here, just because it's allowing me to grow, and hopefully I'm able to share it to help you guys grow as well. So thank you once again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.